Alright guys, in this one we're going to get our pistons in and hopefully everything goes well. As you're putting these in, make sure your bearings don't spin on you. You can tell if they spin if you look between the gap of the connecting rod cap. If you see the bearing pushed out, you probably need to take it back out and redo it. Alrighty, we'll call that one done.